Archieginsburgh on the beat.
This is David Wildman and welcome to Btekt. I have another unboxing for you today of the Honor 7S, a budget phone from Huawei's cheaper brand. But first, I want to say a shout out to Direct Mobiles. Without Direct Mobile support, Btekt wouldn't be possible. And it's also thanks to them that we're able to put on our giveaways. Speaking of which, the competition for the Galaxy A8 has just ended. And we do have a winner, but I'm not allowed to say who it is just yet. Keep an eye on our Twitter account as the winner will be announced there very soon. But right now, we're going to get on with my unboxing. The Honor 7S represents amazing value for money. It's only £99. And for that money, you're getting a fully fledged smartphone. This isn't a feature phone. So let's have a look inside the box and see what you get. Well, it's quite a simple package. A nice turquoise box with the Honor S branding on all sides. Lift off the lid and the first thing you see is the handset, with only really the essentials in here. There's your USB power brick and a micro USB 2.0 cable. And of course, in there as well is the SIM ejection tool. So not much to it, but that's fine. This phone costs £99. The main attraction for the Honor 7S is the 5.5-inch full view display, which has a resolution of 720 by 1440. And it seems to do the job just fine. Even in bright sunshine, it's still quite easy to read. I've taken a couple of pictures with the camera and the performance seems okay. For some weird reason there's a heavy blue tint on everything, but I've only taken a few shots. It has a plastic construction, again to be expected from such a cheap handset, but it seems like fairly good quality plastic and hopefully it won't get too scuffed easily. This phone is working with 2GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage, but that is upgradable to 256GB. It features a 5.5-inch LCD screen, a 13-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera. You also get dual SIM card slots in this phone, as well as a micro SD card slot. And you also get a very big battery for this class of phone. So on paper, the Honor 7S does pretty well. You do seem to get quite a lot for your money with the Honor 7S, but there's always compromises to be made when making smartphones. So stick around for my review if you want to know more about the Honor 7S. And in the meantime, I'll leave you with a specs check of this neat little budget phone.
Archieginsburgh on the beat.